Rodents in your car? Yep, it's a real problem. Whether it's chewed up wire or a smelly nest, these critters love our vehicles as much as we do. And fixing the damage, it's not cheap. So today, we're diving into why rodents target your car, the costly consequences, and what you can do to stop them.
Don't drive angry. Don't drive angry.
Hey there, I'm Jess. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things business, finance, insurance, and productivity. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when we post new content. Let's talk rodents. Rodent damage can be a real headache, but with the right prevention steps, you can save yourself a lot of stress and a lot of money. If you've dealt with this problem before, share your story in the comments below and what you did to prevent this from happening again. First, why do rodents love your car? So why are they moving into your car like it's a 5-star hotel? Simple. Cars provide everything they need: shelter, warmth, and places to hide from predators. From your engine compartment to your door panels, these nooks and crannies are perfect for rodent nests. And with modern cars, especially electric vehicles, there's one more reason: wires coated with soy-based insulation. Yum. It's basically snack time for the rodents.
Take a bite of this. No! Don't just hork it down.
Let's talk about the cost of rodent damage. Rodent damage isn't just messy, it is very expensive. And the average cost of repairs, $2,000 per incident. And if you drive an electric vehicle, that price jumps by nearly 47%. Yikes. According to a Cover Seal survey, dealerships see 3 to 4 cases of rodent damage per month, costing US car owners nearly $200 million a year. And rodent damage isn't covered by your auto insurance. Before we talk about what does work, let's talk about what doesn't work when it comes to preventing rodent damage. First, rodent traps. These reduce the population, but you have to be careful because placing traps near your car can actually attract more rodents. But smart traps that notify you when they've caught something can be helpful. Number 2, poison bait. It can be effective, but it's also risky. Poisoned rodents can harm predators like hawks and owls, or even your pets, so be careful with bait. Number 3, smell-based deterrents. Things like Irish spring flakes, mothballs, or peppermint oil. A big no. Rodents live in sewers and they're used to bad smells. Number 4, noisemakers and strobe lights. These might work for a few weeks, but rodents quickly adapt, so they're not long-term fixes. Let's talk some practical prevention tips. First, block access points. Rodents can't damage what they can't reach, so a weighted car cover would be a great bet to keep them out. Park smart. If possible, park in a garage and keep it clean. Remove any pet food, garbage, or clutter that might attract pests. Wrap your wiring. Pepper-infused tape is another option to protect wires. It won't stop everything, but it's definitely better than nothing. Move your car regularly. If you have a car collection, take each one out for a spin once in a while. Rodents are much less likely to invade a frequently used vehicle than one that's just sitting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to keep your ride in top shape. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, friends.